Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. Et voici Ananas qui dit bonjour. Est-ce que ça va bien, Ananas? Non, non. Pourquoi? Why? Pourquoi? Oh, she's a little bit scared about today's lesson. She doesn't know how to write sentences. Well, Ananas, you are in the right place. Ça va aller bien. You'll see. We're going to show you step by step how to write a sentence. We're going to do that today using the words learned in lesson 4.1. Alors, les amis, nous allons apprendre comment composer des phrases et des petits livres en utilisant les mots appris dans la leçon 4.1. So this is livre 4.1, son O. Alors, on va commencer, les amis. Alors ici, this is our how-to page. So we're going to use the words je. Je means, do you remember? Je means I. So you point to yourself, that's I. Je, and then we're going to add vois. Je vois means I see. I see. So that's going to be the way you start your sentence starter, je vois. And then you're going to finish the sentence with one of the O sound flashcards. So I took a picture of this one, une rose. And if you're not sure, is rose a feminine or masculine word? Don't worry, because I've given you that information over here. You can see the word une. Une means the word is feminine, c'est féminin, une rose. So you're going to put je vois together with une rose to make a sentence, une phrase. Alors on va à la prochaine page. Can you repeat after me? Je vois une rose. Let's try that again. Je vois une rose. Bravo! You did it, Ananas! Yay! Was that difficult? No, not at all. You happy now? Oui, ça va mieux. Oui, bravo. Alors, on va tourner la page. Turn the page. Alors ici, we have je vois des noix de coco. Can you say that? Je vois des noix de coco. Bravo. And over here we have je vois un yo-yo. Je vois un yo-yo. Bravo. Good job. Ici, on a je vois un globe. Can you say that? Je vois un globe. Oui, bravo. La prochaine page. Je vois du chocolat. Oh, Ananas, est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat? Oui. How much? Oh, this much. This much. She likes le chocolat. This much. Madame aussi, j'aime le chocolat. Alors, je vois du chocolat. Bravo, on continue. Et c'est la fin. So when we finish a book, we write la fin. That means the end. Oh, Ananas, what do you say we go for a piece of chocolat? Oui. Yes, sounds good to me too. Alors les amis, merci. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time. Can you say à la prochaine? À la prochaine.